6.5. No way, dude. I was thinking 3/8 or 2/10. Dang it, man. That was good. That's a good one. I've never seen this stuff before. I was just telling you I was gonna do that, dude. Yeah. You're good. All right, so I'll get a demo first and then guess what you have, and then you can tell me what you got. So you've got trunk build. Screaming at me. I'm gonna say 3/8.
3/8?
3/8 or 2/10.
With YouTube Kids, you manage
I have no idea.
Just
Let's go look. I wanna go look. 3/8 or 2/10 is what I guess.
3/8 or 2/10.
Huh? Nope. Are those
6.5?
6.5? No way, dude. I was thinking 3/8 or 2/10. Dang it, man. That was good. That's a good one. I've never seen this subs before. Wow.
Same guy built his box, built my box.
Dude. What is these? What level branch are these Skar?
Equals 6.5. Skar equals 6.5.
EVLs.
Yep.
I didn't know they made 6.5 like that. Really? Are they 300 RMS or?
They say 200. I got them on the RP.
Okay. Wow. I was not expecting that, dude. I bet you get everybody.
Yeah.
Wow. That's a good one. I like this. And I like how it's baffled. You have a single baffle with the drop-in kit, and then you drop the subs in, so you kind of have, you see what I'm saying? That's a good idea. What is the box chin to?
Tune to 36.
36?
Yep.
Okay. Sweet. Yeah, I didn't expect that. That's pretty good, man. How is it wired on the amp?
What I did was I wired all of them up. They dual fulls, so they wired up. They are a series parallel. Yeah. So she cut down to one on, all of them to 8, and wire them all together, put down on one on.
Really?
One on,
okay. Gotcha. Awesome. Is it stock alternator?
Stock alternator. It's an extra battery.
Extra battery. I'm gonna go look at that. I'll take a picture afterward. You got me. I didn't know. Wow. Thanks for the demo, man. What was your name?
Billy.
Billy.
Yeah.
Jacob. Nice to meet you. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.